If Khao Poon had a BFF little sister, this would be Mikati, the sweeter sister. Pretty much the same thing as Khao Poon, but with a sweeter take on it.
Alright, let's get started. Wow, look at that. Bring a pot of water to a boil, followed by adding your salt, galangal, lemongrass, kaffir lime leaves, and your desired cut of pork. Today I'm using ground pork and pork bones. Skim out the gunk as you go for a clear broth. Next goes in your seasonings. I will list all the measurements and instruction in the comment section. Next, add oil to pan, saute your minced garlic and shallots. In goes your red curry paste, coconut milk. Mix and combine until fragrant. Remove your pork, break them to bite-sized pieces. Put it back in the pot. Next, add in your red curry paste. And lastly, add in your egg drop. Also, if you want, you can add pork cubes. Fry some garlic oil and pour it over your pho noodles. Pair this up with your favorite topping and garnishes. This should be sweet and savory with a little bit of tang. มาเด้อทุกคนมากินมิกะทิแซ่บทาสติกเด้อ Follow for more. Wow.
If Khao Poon were to have a BFF or a little sister, this would be her sweeter sister. The reason I say that is because Mikati is made with bun pho noodles, and it's a pork curry with a peanut broth that has an egg slurry, kind of like the egg drop soup. Instead of the vermicelli noodle, use the bun pho noodles. Noodle is marinated in garlic. You have banana blossoms, you have cabbage, you have your mint leaves, yeah. And then of course, optional is the pork cubes. So sweet and savory. I can taste the peanut. Wow, so good. Coconutty, savory. This is the sweeter side of Lao food. Very different. Most of the time, Lao food is like salty umami because we use fermented fish sauce, but that beautiful dish. Very aromatic. It's very different. It's like a very beautiful dish.